Okay, rail fans, go home pass. This guy started rolling again. So we'll see if he's just going to pull up a little bit or keep going. We also have another train coming eastbound behind me, so we will see. It's hard to tell what he's doing. He's going downhill, and he don't want to rip the train by going too fast. So, on the other hand, they tie down here quite a bit. Looks like he's gearing up. I don't think he's going to stop. Hope everybody's doing well today. Here's our ethanol train we were hoping to get. Looks like we have maybe have a -9 second up. This 7000 is probably an ES 44 something. ES 44 C4 -9. This would be another ES something. These hoppers are full of sand. They're a buffer between the fuel cars here and the locomotives. Pretty sure it's an ethanol train. If I'm wrong, let me know. 1987 is the hazard number. I think that means it's some kind of flammable fuel. But as far as what kind of fuel, I'm not sure. Boy, these things are big. Huge. They're not all chagged up. That's nice. It's not going quietly. But he's sporting his new collar. I don't think these are allowed to be over 100 cars. I think they have to keep them under 100 once they go into the city. Boy, these are just gigantic. Empty weight is 90,200 pounds and the loaded weight is 195,200 pounds. So it can carry a little bit more than its weight. see the rear hopper and the DPU on the back coming. There's a greaser right here, but they don't have it on main 2. Just have it on main 1 and 3. The greasers, all that Prius seat padding right there in this box right here. We talked about that in a few other videos. If you didn't see those, that pumps out grease to keep the wear down between the wheels and the rail flange. But they tie down a lot of number 2 going downhill, so they don't really want to grease that one. In fact, there's a lot of sand on the ground, track number 2 over there, because they're trying to get traction. Look all the way out there, you can see the Laram rail grinding rig. And the thing on the left is a switching engine for the Ardent flour mill. ES44C4 and an ES44, ES44C4. All right, ethanol train. Get out of that sun there. Yeah, that's the rail grinding train down there, and right, they're cleaning it out. They got big water trucks pulling it up, and they're blasting it out. The people that are doing it are just getting covered in black soot. And that engine on the left is a old Southern Pacific. It's a tunnel engine, SD40, I think, T2, something like that. Powerful, moving those big hoppers around. Okay, hope we like what you saw. If so, please subscribe to the channel, give us some love, give us a like, tell your friends. But I need some food. We need more subscribers. Look how skinny he's getting. They're going to communicate with the train every time I hear that. All right, guys, we'll catch you on the next one. Love you. Bye-bye.